Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you enable your Google Play service on your device. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open settings on your device. So simply open the device setting. Alright, so now from the setting you'll have to scroll down and go the options like app. So simply tap on the app settings. Alright, so from the app setting you'll have to find Google Play service. Alright, so after you find it you'll have to just tap on that, and now from the app info of Google Play service you'll be able to enable or disable it. So from the bottom left corner of the screen you can disable or enable it. So right now I'm unable to do this, so for the solution you'll have to just back from here, and in the settings section you'll have to go for the search option, and in the search field you'll have to type for device admin. Okay, so after you search it you'll have to go the option device admin apps. So from here tap on device admin app, and now from here you'll be able to see the features like find my device. So you have to tap on that, and now from here you'll have to just tap on this deactive option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now all the way you'll have to back from here and again open the app setting from there. Okay, so from here find the Google Play service, and now from here as you can see I have successfully enabled the features like disabling or enabling the Google Play service. So from here I can easily disable or enable the Google Play service on my device. So here is the process. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.